Good evening. This Christmas I spending work dining out with my family in the morning and with put of life around in the present and prepare some dishes and for my culinary event I went chatting listened to music and took pictures by the train the evening were what for short project I intend what dinner think that were roast turkey racing with racing mashed potatoes and I put salad cream with cream for dessert wet and custard written and homemade cookies. However, did it will open in the present and continue taking until like thank you.